I am on my way to the bank right now to deposit a surprise check that I just received. I want to talk to you about how affirmations work. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name's Misty and I'm a manifesting coach. I love to talk about manifesting things into your life, how to use vision boards. My whole goal is to help everyone live a more positive and abundant life. So there's 3 things that we talk about all the time. It's manifesting, it's gratitude, and it's affirmations. And I'm here today to tell you that last week I was feeling a little, I don't want to use the word stressed. I'm just going to say concerned that I had taken off a good bit of time this month, and I work for myself, and so when I take off, there's nothing coming. If I'm not working, there's nothing coming. And so I was a little bit hesitant to take the entire week off for the holiday, but I did it, and I was like, you know what? It's all going to work out. I'm going to do exactly what I tell everybody else to do, and just to do your affirmations every day and speak what you do want into your life. And so I did that. And I'm going to have Riley link the video for the money affirmations to this video for you. And the reason why is because there is an affirmation in there that I use all the time, and it is in an easy and positive way. I am now creating financial success beyond my wildest dreams, and it's in its own perfect time and for the greater good of all those involved. This or something better is now manifesting on my behalf. And so I said that every day last week. I listened to another recording that I made for myself on affirmations and on money. And this morning, when I went to go check my mailbox, I hadn't checked it from a day or two. And so there were 2 checks in there in my mailbox. One was from a refund from something that I don't even remember asking for a refund for. It was for $235. And the other one was for an investment dividend check from something that I had made a long time ago. And I don't always get a check from it every year. Sometimes there's no dividends to pay, but this year there was, and it was for over $700. So that is the money that I would have made last week. And I took it off and I spent it taking care of myself and taking care of my family and enjoying the holidays and all those things. And so affirmations work, and I'm on my way to the bank right now to deposit those 2 checks. So I'm here for you every single day, Monday through Friday. And I can't wait to hear what kind of amazing things are happening in your life and what kind of affirmations you're using. We have 3 or 4 affirmation videos. She'll put them all in the description box down below. And until tomorrow, happy manifesting.